So, good evening all. Welcome to Sakal Vidya YouTube channel. Mr. JSR. Okay, leave the extra matters, the concentrate on the topic. Okay, Madhurima, Chalama Shastri. So, good evening all. Welcome to Sakal Vidya YouTube channel. Okay, Swati, Prasanna, Lakshman, Stravan, Swati Singh. Okay, Vamshi Krishna, Chari, Swati Singh, Sneha. Okay, slowly joining. Sneha. Okay. Right, today we have the special session, but actually they are not available due to this lockdown. Suma. Okay. Narla Venkateshwarlu. Okay. Sumant. Sai Kiran. Venkat Charan. Okay. Good evening. Good evening. Okay. Let us start the class. Errors and approximates. Errors and approximates. This is the chapter. Right, the question number 1 now. So, let us try this this color. How is this color? Question number 1. If f of x equals to half into x square plus 3x. Okay, x is equal to 2, delta x is equal to 0.5, then delta f is equal to question mark. Right. Right. So, now first question, first option 2.5, second option 0.25, third option 2.625, fourth option is 2.7. This is the question. Okay. Right now, if f of x equals to half x square plus 3x, x is equal to 2, delta x is equal to 0.5, then delta f you need to find out. See, we have the formula solution delta f or d delta y both are same equal to f of x plus delta x minus f of x. this is the formula we have. Delta f is equal to f of x plus delta x minus f of x. Say this is equation 1, this is the formula. So, first we need to find out f of x plus delta x. F of x plus delta x equals to half multiplied by, in the place of x write down x plus delta x whole square plus 3 times x plus delta x. Now we can simplify, this is half times x square plus 2x into delta x plus delta x whole square. Delta x whole square is not equal to delta square and x square, please remember, and plus 3x plus 3 delta x. Okay. So, now this equals to half x square plus x delta x plus half delta x whole square plus 3x plus 3 delta x. Okay, now from equation 1, from 1 let us find out delta f. Delta f is equal to half x square plus x delta x plus half delta x whole square plus 3x plus 3 delta x minus f of x. Minus f of x means you need to subtract these two values, that is equal to minus of x square minus into plus minus 3x. Of x square cancel, 3x gets cancelled. So, take out delta x common out from this one, you get like this, x plus delta x by 2 plus 3. Now, substitute respective x is equal to 2 and delta x is equal to 0.5. So, this equals to delta x is equal to 0.5 multiplied by x means 2 plus delta x by 2. Delta x by 2 means 0.22 ja 4 2 5 ja 0.25 plus 3. So, that means 0.25 multiplied with 5.25. So, that means now 525 multiplied with 5, do it, 5 5 ja 25, 5 2 ja 10, that will be 12, 26. How many points? Actually 3 points, that is 2.625. So, third option is the right option. Okay, now it is not functioning well, I need to check. Okay. Next page. Now, the second question. Second question. Okay, second question. If f of x equals to, if f of x equals to root x, x equals to 4, x equals to 4, delta x is equal to 0.08, then df, not delta f, dy or df, both are same. So first option is 0.02, second option is 0.0201, third option is 0.2, fourth option is 0.021. This is the question. So that means actually here, sir, please explain the concept. I already explained the concept. The concept has been explained. Here remember the concept. Let me clear the concept also here. So dy or df equals to approximately equal to f dash x into delta x. That means we need to find out here. Step is solution follows. First derivative of this f of x we need to find out. That is f dash x is equal to derivative of root x differentiation is 1 by 2 root x. Now we know x is equal to 4 and delta x is equal to 0.08. So that we can find out df using this concept. Now df equals to approximately equal to f dash x multiplied by delta x. So whose value approximately equal to 1 by 2 root x, because root x differentiation is 1 by 2 root x into delta x. So approximately equal to 1 by 2 root x value is 4, am I correct? X value is 4, delta x is equal to 0.08 multiplied by 0.08. This approximately equal to 0.08 upon square root of 4 is 2, 2 into 2 4. If you divide it, approximately equal to 0.02. So that means first option is the right option. First option is the right option. Okay. Next, third question. If f of x equals to log x x is equal to 2, delta x equals to 2, delta x equals to 0.02, then what we need to find out here? df is equal to question mark. First option is log of 1.01, second option is 0.01, third option is minus log of 1.01, fourth option is 0.021. This is the problem. Okay. So now if f of x is equal to log x given, x is equal to 2, delta x is equal to 0.02, then df we need to calculate. Again same concept we need to apply. The concept is dy or df or both are same, approximately equal to f dash x into delta x. This is a formula. Any newcomers are there, please note down. Now the solution follows. First let us find out derivative of this function. So f dash x equals to log x differentiation is 1 by x. Now df approximately equal to f dash x into delta x. So approximately equal to 1 by x into delta x. Let us substitute respective values. X is equal to 2, delta x is equal to this value. Approximately equal to 0.02 by 2. So approximately equal to 0.01. So second option is the right option. Now third question. The value of 127 to the power of 1 by 3, that means cube root of 127, to 4 decimal points. 4 decimal points. 4 decimal points, or sorry, 4 decimal places, that's called actually. Four decimal places. First option is 5.0267. Second one is 5.4267. Third option is 5.5267. Fourth option is 5.0001. This is the question. Okay, question number 4. Right. This is the question. Right. So now let us come to the value of cube root of 127 up to 4 decimal points we need to find out. So that means we need to recall the formula f of x plus delta x approximately equal to f of x plus f dash x into delta x. This is the formula to find out approximate values. Here solution, you need to say f of x is equal to, in the place of 127 put x, that will be x to the power of 1 by 3. Find its derivative. F dash x is 1 by 3 into x to the power of 1 by 3 minus 1, that will be minus 2 by 3. Now here we need to find out what is x and what is delta. X means the nearest perfect cube to the 127 is 125, because the cube root of 125 is 5, that you can find out. This value 127 is more than 2, that is the error, delta x is equal to 2. Now substitute in this formula. So 127 to the power of 1 by 3 can be written as approximately equal to f of x means this one, okay, f dash x means this one, x means 125, 125 to the power of 1 by 3, next plus f dash x is 1 by 3 into x means 125 to the power of minus 2 by 3 into delta x means here 2 into 2. So we need to simplify this one. Cube root of 1, this is 5 cube means 3 cancel 5 plus 1 by 3 into this will be 5 cube, 5 square, 5 power minus 2 is 1 by 5 square, 1 by 25 this is into 2. So, we need to simplify this one now. Approximately equal to 5 plus, so 2 divided by 75. Now, we need to divide 2 with 75. So, if you divide 2 with 75, here 20, it will not go 0.0, okay, 200, 75 2 ja 150, you get 50, put 0, 77 5 ja, okay, approximately 75 into 6, how much will be getting? Yes, 75 6 ja 0.06 approximately. That means 5 plus 0.026 approximately equal to 5.026. That means approximately 666. Actually 50-50 means you will be getting like this, 666 like this, 66. Adjusting 4 decimal points, add 1 here. So, approximately equal to 5.0267. That means first option is the right option. First option is the right option. Fifth question. Let us move to the fifth question now. Fifth question. Okay. The approximate value of 1 by cube root of 8.08 is, this is the question. First option is 0.1999, second option is 4.008, third option 0.49875, fourth option is 0.4983. This is the problem. Okay. So, now the approximate value of this one we need to find out. Here solution, let us say f of x is equal to 1 by x to the power of 1 by 3. This is x to the power of minus 1 by 3. Find f dash x. So, derivative of this one is minus 1 by 3 into x to the power of minus 1 by 3 minus 1 minus 4 by 3. Here very clear. So, the nearest cube root that we can find to 8 only, minus 0.08 is the increment. So, that means here x equals to 8 and delta x becomes 0.08. So, now f of x plus delta x write down, that is equal to f of x. F of x means x to the power of minus 1 by 3 plus f dash x, that means minus 1 by 3 x to the power of minus 4 by 3 into delta x. Therefore, required value required value is 1 by cube root of 8.08 approximately equal to, in the place of x 8 to the power of minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 into 8 to the power of minus 4 by 3 into delta x 0.08. So cube, this will be 2 cube. 2 cube means actually 3 cancel, 2 power minus 1, that will be 1 by 2, and minus 1 by 3 into, this will be 2 cube, 2 power minus 4 is 1 by 16 into 0.08. 8 0.01 ja 8 2 ja, that means this is 0.5, 1 by 2 is, everybody knows, this will be 0.01 by 6. So we need to divide. First divide 1 by 6, how much you will be getting? It won't go. 6 1 ja 6, 40, 6 6 ja 36, again 40, 6 6 6 you will be getting recurring. So that means again you need to add how many points? Actually 2 points. 2 points means here you will be getting like this, approximately equal to 0.5 minus 0.00167 write down. 0.5 minus 0.00167, subtracting, this is 3 3 8 9 4, 4.98 sorry, this will be 0.49838. So that will be approximately third option. So okay, sorry, not third option, here is there, fourth option only. So leave this one because 0.4983 is there. Yes, it's not comfortable to me. Let us change other one now because I am not feeling comfortable with this one now. Now the sixth question, the approximate value of log of 2.01 given that log 2 is equal to log 2, this is to the base e, 0.6934 is first option 0.6984, second option 49974. Third option is 1.6834. Fourth option, this will be 1.6683. This is the question. Okay, let us do it now. Okay, now the approximate value of log of 2.01 given that log 2. So, that means here solution, first let us say f of x equals to, in the place of 2.01 put x, log x. So, f dash x is equal to, whose derivative is, we have 1 by x. Now, here because log 2 value given, take x is equal to 2 and increment will be delta x, error is 0.01. Now, we need to recall f of x plus delta x formula. F of x plus delta x formula is f of x plus f dash x into delta x. So, now this log of 2.01 approximately equal to f of x is log x, here actually you get like this, log x, this will be plus 1 by x into delta x, log 2 plus 1 by x is 1 by 2 into delta x is how much, 0.01, log 2 is given that 0.6934 plus half of this one. So, 1 divided by 0.5, correct, already 1 by 2 is 0.5, how many points, still 2 points, 0.005, this equal to adding. So, that means 0.6934 added with 0.005, that means 0.6985. So, that means approximately equal to first option. First option is the right option. This approximate value is no problem, exactly we may not get it. Of all the options, the approximate we need to select. Okay, now the seventh question. The approximate value of 1.0002 whole to the power of 3000 is, this is the question. .01 means there I have taken x is equal to 2 and 0.01 as delta x, that is why I have taken 2. First option is 1.2, second option is 1.4, third option is 1.6, fourth option is 1.8. So, now here I will give the clarity for this one. See, this is x is equal to 1. This actually you take one thing, integral part is x, fractional part, decimal part is delta x. You remember like that. Okay, now here f of x seems to be rather x to the power of n form. So, whose derivative f dash x is equal to n into x to the power of n minus 1. Here this x equals to 1, delta x is equal to 0.0002. Now formula f of x plus delta x approximately equal to f of x plus f dash x into delta x, approximately equal to f of x means x to the power of here sorry, 1 minute, now I will come. Wait, no. This we can write x to the power of 3000 into x to the power of 2999. So, f of x is x to the power of 3000, f dash x is 3000 into x to the power of 2999 into delta x you need to write. So, now the approximate value is equal to 1.002 whole to the power of 3000 approximately equal to x means 1 to the power of something is 1 plus 3000 into, very interesting problem, 1 to the power of 2099 is 1, delta x is 0.0002. Now 1 plus, you do one thing, 2 into 3000 is 6000, write down. Now put the points. How many points? 4 points. 1, 2, 3. Here you will get the point. Approximately equal to 1 plus 0.6. That's equal to 1.6. So that means third option. See, this problem can be done using binomial theorem also. With the help of binomial theorem also, 1 plus x whole to the power of n approximately equal to 1 plus nx. So that means formula I will write 1 plus x whole to the power of n approximately equal to 1 plus nx. Here 1, n is 3000 into x is this one 0.002. So this will be equal to 1.6 using binomial theorem. This is using binomial theorem also this problem can be solved. Okay. So now 8th problem. The approximate value of sine 46 degrees. Sine 46 degrees. So given that one degree is equal to 0.01745 radians is, now we know the value of sine 45 degrees. Sine 45 degrees. See, actually today the special session has been cancelled because our founders and co-founders are not available. So that's why. Okay. So now I am continuing the classes. First option 1.0349, second option 0.7193, third option 0.4849, fourth option 1.0058. Yes. So now we need to find out here the approximate value of sine 46 degrees, because sine 45 degrees we know that is 1 by 2 root 2, but sine 46 degrees we need to find out, means that will be more than 1 degree. That 1 degree we need to take it as a delta x. So now here you see the solution. Here you say like this, x is equal to 45 degrees, because sine 45 degrees we can find out. Delta x is equal to 1 degree, that value already given, approximately 0.01745 radians. This is standard, you need to remember. So instead of that one I will say sine of x plus delta x, let us say. This formula also we can write instead of f of x plus delta x. First sin x write down plus sin x derivative write down, cos x into delta x write down. It seems to be rather this one only, this formula only. F of x plus delta x approximately equal to f of x plus f dash x into delta x. Here instead of f of x, function is sine function, that I have written. So now if you put x is equal to 45, delta x is equal to 1 degree, this becomes sine 46 degree, approximately equal to sine x, sine 45 degrees plus cos 45 degrees into delta x. Delta x is 0.01745. Now we need to simplify this one. Approximately equal to 1 by root 2 sine 45 is plus 1 by root 2 into 0.01745. So 1 by root 2 you need to take common. We have 1 plus 0.01745. Now let us find out 1 by root 2 approximate value. 1 by root 2 means you rationalize it, this one, root 2 by 2, root 2 is equal to 1.414 by 2, this will be 0.707. So this equals to 0.707 multiplied by 1.01745. This gives us our answer. This gives us our answer. So we need to multiply. So that means now you remember this value. Can you do this problem now? Yes, 0.7193 you will be getting approximately. 0.7193 if you simplify. So second option. There is no other way, you need to multiply, that's all. You need to multiply. Okay, now ninth problem. Ninth problem. if an error of 0.01 centimeter is made while measuring the radius 2 centimeter of a circle then relative error in the circumference is first option 0.004, second option 0.4, third option 0.05, fourth option is 0.5. Okay, this is the question, right. So now an error of 0.01 centimeter is made while calculating or measuring the radius 2 centimeters of a circle, then relative error in circumference of a circle you need to find out. So now the solution, what is given? Error in radius given, say delta r equal to 0.01 centimeter. Next radius given, r is equal to 2 centimeters given. Circumference c is equal to 2 pi r. Now what we need to find out? Relative error in circumference, that's the formula is delta c by c you need to find out. So whenever this is constant, just delete it. What is the dimension in r? R power is 1. So that means 1 into delta r by r, that's all. So 1 multiplied by delta r is equal to 0.01 by 2. This will be, actually we have 0.01 into 1 by 2 means 0.5. So first write down 5, how many points? 3 points, 1, 2, 3.0, 0.005. So third option is the right option. Okay, next. Tenth question. If there is an error sorry, 1 minute, I did mistake. If the percentage error error in the radius of a circle is 3. That means that is 3% is 3. Then the percentage error in its area is first option is 6, second option is 3/2, third option is 2, fourth option is 4. So now the percentage error in the radius of a circle is 3. The percentage error in its area we need to find out. Here solution. What is given means percentage error in R, radius given. That means delta R by R into 100 given, that is equal to 3. Now we need to find out delta A by A into 100 we need to find out. This problem is related to circle problem. So that means area of the circle is given by A is equal to pi r square. So that means you remember one thing here, actually this pi is constant, just keep it up. So now delta A by A into 100 is equal to, we can write dimension of R is 2. So 2 times delta R by R into 100, that is all. Now 2 multiplied by delta R by R into 100 already given, that is true, sorry, that is 3. So into 3, answer is 6%, first option. So all these problems can be done in easy method itself only. Okay. So now the 11th question. A sphere of radius 10 centimeters shrinks to 9.8 centimeters. Then approximate decrease in its volume. So this is the question. First option is 8 pi, second option is 80 pi, third option is 0.4 pi, 0.4 pi, fourth one is 0.84 pi. So that means shrinking means actually suppressing. Yes, that's called decrease. Shrinks means. This problem is related to the sphere. Radius of sphere is 10 centimeters. It is actually reduced to 9.8 centimeters. Then approximate decrease in volume you need to find out. So that means first of all initial radius, say initial radius is R1 equal to 10 centimeters. Now it changed to 9.8, that is the final radius, 9.8 centimeters. Now error in radius delta R is equal to final minus initial, 9.8 minus 10, that will be how much we will be getting, minus 0.2 centimeter. The minus sign indicates decrease. Now the decrease in volume, what is the volume of a sphere? 4 by 3 pi r cube. So now differentiate with respect to r, you get dV by dr equals to 4 by 3 pi into r cube, differentiation is 3r square. So 3 gets cancelled, multiply dr that side. So that means decrease in dV approximately equal to, you can write 4 pi r delta r right on, because delta r is approximately equal to dr. Now the dV approximately equal to 4 pi into r. R is how much? Initial you need to take 10 into delta r is equal to minus 0.2. So approximately equal to, that is minus 8 pi. Minus indicates decrease. So decrease is 8 pi. First option is the correct option, not option 2. Please all of you check now. Okay. Okay, r square, correct, right, that's all. So this will be 4 pi r square, right. Approximately equal to 4 pi into r square is 100 into, this is minus 0.2, this is 20 into minus 80 pi. Yes, so 80 pi. Right. Okay, now, so let us move to the next question, 12th one. If the radius of a sphere is 3 centimeters, if an error of 0.03 centimeters is made in measuring the radius of a sphere. The radius of a sphere. The radius of a sphere. Then the percentage error in its surface area first option 2, second option 0.02, third option 0.002, fourth option 0.0002. This is the question. Okay. The radius of a sphere is 3 centimeters. Error in radius is 0.03 centimeters. Then the percentage error in the surface area we need to find out. So that means actually solution follows like this. Radius of the sphere r is equal to 3 centimeters. Error executed delta r is equal to 0.03 centimeters. The percentage error in surface area delta s by s into 100 question mark you need to find out. Surface area of a sphere is s is equal to 4 pi r square. So now this 4 pi is constant, you neglect it. So now we can write delta s by s into 100 is equal to r dimension is 2 into delta r by r into 100. Substituting respective values, 2 multiplied by delta r is 0.03 by 3 into 100. 100 into 0.03 is 3, 3 by 3 is 1, so 2, that is 2%. That means first option is the right option. Now the next problem follows, 13th problem. 13th. If there is an error of 3 by 10%, 3 by 10% in the volume of a sphere, in the volume of a sphere, in the volume of a sphere, then the percentage error in its radius is first option 1 by 10, second option 2 by 10, third option is 3 by 10, fourth option 3. Sonti Ravi Verma, you are the new to my class. Actually, see, this is the digital pen, this is the digital board. Even if I were you, same time you will take, because I cannot write. You need to help me, you come. If there is an error of 3 by 10% in the volume of a sphere, then percentage error in its radius is. So that means what is given here? Delta V by V into 100 is given, that is 3 by 10. Now delta R by R into 100 need to be evaluated. So let the question should be analyzed. Understood now? Okay, Danusha. V is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now this 4 by 3 pi is constant, leave it. Just relation we require, V is equal to r cube. Now delta V by V into 100 is equal to, dimension of R is 3. So 3 times delta R by R into 100. Already this is given 3 by 10. So 3 by 10 equals to 3 into delta R by R into 100. So 3 gets cancelled. Delta R by R into 100 is equal to 1 by 10%. So that means 1 by 10 or simple. So multiply this, if the percentage error in the volume is something k, if you want to find out percentage error in radius is divide by 3. So that will be k by 3 or multiply it 1 by 3. So multiply it 1 by 3, 3 gets cancelled, we have 1 by 10. That also we can do. So question number 14. Question number 14. If the radius of a sphere is increased from 10 centimeters to 10.02 centimeters, not shrinked this time, increased when heated. Then the percentage increase in volume is. So that we need to find out percentage error in the volume of a sphere we need to find out. So that means this is the initial radius, this is the final radius. So final minus initial, we can find out error, and the percentage error in increase in the volume of a sphere. The problem is related to the sphere. See, so first option 0.2, second option 0.6, third option is 0.05, fourth option pi by 10. This is the question. Okay. Now the solution. Initial radius R1 is equal to 10 centimeters. Final radius R2 is equal to 10.02 centimeters. Change in radius, final minus initial 0.02 centimeters. Now the percentage error in value, delta V by V into 100 is equal to question mark. So volume of the sphere is V is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Here 4 by 3 pi is constant, dimension of r is 3. So this can be written without any differentiation, delta V by V into 100 is equal to, dimension of r is 3, 3 times delta r by r into 100. So 3 times delta r is equal to 0.02 by 10 into 100. This is 10. This will be 0.2 into 3, 0.6. So second option is the right option. Vamshi Krishna, leave it. Let them like. That is actually their discussion. Leave them. Okay, now fifteenth question. If there is an error, if there is an error 0.05 centimeter square in the surface area of a sphere, then the error in the volume when the radius is 20 centimeters is. This is the question. First option 1 cc, 1 cubic centimeter. Second 0.5 cc. Third 2.5 cc. Fourth 1.5 cc. Right. So now error in the surface area of the sphere is 0.05 centimeter square. Then the error in the volume you need to find out. So the solution means error in the surface area delta S is equal to 0.05 centimeter square. So what is the surface area of a sphere? S is equal to 4 pi r square. You differentiate it. Delta S approximately equal to 8 pi r into delta r, you can write it. So that means now delta r is equal to, you can approximately equal to delta S by 8 pi r. So this delta S is equal to 0.05 upon radius is actually 20 given. This is 160 pi. This you leave it now. So now you need to find out volume, error in volume. V is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Pi r cube. If you differentiate with respect to r, delta V approximately equal to 4 pi r square into delta r. This is approximately equal to 4 pi into r square. R square is 400. Delta r is 0.05 by 160 pi. Pi gets cancelled. This is 4 1 ja 4 40 ja. This is 100. Now you will be getting approximately equal to 5. 5 is not given. Okay. 20 is equal to 400. Okay, 4 into 40. Okay. Sorry, 10, this is 10. This will be 10, 0.05. So that means second option is the right option. Yes. Okay. So now, tomorrow we shall continue, because I am not comfortable today with this software. Okay. Moreover, we have completed 15 questions. So because please stay for a while, all the viewers, I would like to share with you something. My opinion is that actually I need to complete total syllabus. So that's why I should not jump to immediately to the other chapters. So a detailed instruction should be given, detailed problems to be solved. So that's why I am doing all the models, because it will be very useful to you. So just 10 questions and 5 questions if I complete for each chapter means, so that's I think that will not make any difference. So that's why generally I will concentrate one by one. After this better, I think so my plan is to start maxima and minima. That is also very typical chapter and interesting chapter, also very easy chapter, but generally the students will feel difficult. Why, I don't know, but maxima and minima is also very important chapter. So immediately after completion of this chapter, so in this slat we shall move to the maxima and minima, and followed by the integration, indefinite integration and definite integrals, and areas and differential equations will be completed. That is my plan actually. Okay, that I am going to do. So because everybody is asking to start vector algebra and next permutations and combinations, probability, at a time how can I jump? Okay, I cannot move like that, isn't it? Now please try to understand my problem. So after this I will switch over to the maxima and minima chapter. Okay. So that already Sumas Jundi asking geometry. So geometry is the next session. We have the 2 slats every day, isn't it now? 2 tracks, I mean to say that. I hope all the best. May God bless you all. Stay home, stay safe.